I'm up at the top. As you can see, I came up all the way up. It's absolutely amazing up here, and there's tons of snow. I'm walking to the snow. Wow. And I'm up like in a fort or something, looking all around, and snow everywhere, and it's really fluffy. See, very fluffy. Still snowing, not as heavy as earlier, but still snowing. It's amazing. It's beautiful. I'm glad I have this park. In the summer, I'll come here. And this is, I guess, the statue of... Ooh, that was slippery. To the man of Malden who served the country in the war. So, there you go, right there. So this is where I live, and I love it. I love the Snowstorm. So, bye, and I'm really happy that I'm here, and I'm really happy that I am enjoying all this snow that's going on today. Bye, peace.